Good afternoon, one and all. My name is Jay Sagar from TTWRDC Karimnagar. Group is BZC third year. Topic is chemical bonding. Subject is chemistry. Preferred by media is X-Recorder app. Now, let us discuss about chemical bonding. Okay. First of all, chemical bond definition. A chemical bond is a lasting attraction between two atoms, ions, or molecules that enables the formation of the chemical bond. It given any compound will break one bond are there. Now let us discuss octet rule. Hydrogen and helium having 2e electrons, and fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine, any other elements having 8 electrons. Lewis dot structure. Lewis scientist given by Lewis dot structure. One example is given. See us. Oxygen. Oxygen rule number is 8. The oxygen electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Okay. The oxygen outermost shell per 6 electrons. The 6 electrons arranged this type of. Okay. The another example is nitrogen. Nitrogen rule number is 7. The electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. The total of 5 electrons are there. Valency electrons, outermost shell electrons. Okay, these 5 electrons are arranged in this case. The structure of HCl and N2. The hydrogen having 1 electron, the chlorine having 1 unpaired electron. This electron is combined and one molecule. Okay. Same in this case, the nitrogen, the 2 nitrogen atoms are combined and one compound are there. Chemical bonding. Chemical bonds are 3 types: ionic bonding, covalent bonding, coordination bonding. Now let us discuss about one by one. Ionic bonding. The sodium chloride. Sodium having plus charge, chlorine have negative charge. The sodium is lost 1 electron and chlorine is 1 more electron. In this case, the sodium and chlorine transfer the electrons. The chlorine transfer to the sodium metal 1 electron. In this case, ion attraction are there. Next to covalent bond. Hydrogen and hydrogen. These are two are this 1 electron and 2 hydrogens are 1 electron are there. This one or this one. Okay. In this case, transfer of electrons are not possible. Only sharing of electrons and one. This is covalent bond. Now let us discuss coordination bond. SO2. coordination bond SO2. The oxygen having 6 electrons, sulfur having 6 electrons, and the another oxygen having 6 electrons. This is outermost shell electrons, and so these are Lewis dot structure. Okay, the oxygen having one more 2 electrons, given one more 2 electrons. The sulfur also having one more 2 electrons, and this oxygen also one more 2 electrons. In the first oxygen and sulfur, this coordination are possible to satisfy the oxygen, and this sulfur also, these 2 electrons are sharing and satisfy the sulfur. The next, the sulfur having 8 electrons. Okay, so sulfur 2 electrons donate to the this oxygen. The oxygen are acceptor. This is the coordination bond. This bond, this bond, these 2 bonds are covalent bonds. Octet rule limitations. The any atom or element only satisfy to the side atoms 8 electrons, the Lewis dot given, but in phosphorus having 10 electrons, and sulfur also having 12 electrons. This is the one limitation in octet rule. The new methods, Vesper theory and hybridization theory. NH3 ammonia. The nitrogen is central atom, and these 3 hydrogens are side atoms. Okay, these are bond pair, these are lone pair, 3 bond pairs and 1 lone pair. Bond pair more repulsion, and bond pair lone pair is minimum repulsion. Lone pair is maximum repulsion are there. Now let us discuss shape. 3 bond pairs, 1 lone pair. 3 bond pairs, 1 lone pair. In this case, NH3 example is NH3 example. Shape is trigonal pyramidal. Okay. This is these 3 are bond pairs. This 1 are lone pairs. Shape is trigonal pyramidal. 2 bond pairs, 2 lone pairs. Bent shape. H2 bond. In this case, CS 2 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs. Electronic configuration, boron. Boron roll number is 5. Electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Outermost shell electrons are 3. Outermost electrons are 3. Fluorine outermost shell 7 electrons, need 1 electron. BF3 structure is there. Now let us discuss about some are examples. Okay, two electron pairs and two bond pairs. Okay, now let us BeF2. This is the linear structure. Okay, and next BF3 AlCl3, three electron pairs and three bond pairs. Okay, BF3 structure. This type of arrangements are there in BF3. This is the shape of the molecule, trigonal planar. And next CH4SF4. The side H4H atoms are there. CH4 methane structure. Four electron pairs. Four electron pairs. Four bond pairs. These are four bond pairs. Okay. Shape of the molecule is tetrahedral. And NH3. Four electron pairs. Three bond pairs. One lone pair. Okay. Four electron pairs. Three bond pairs. And one lone pair. NH3. These are one lone pair. The three side H atoms. This is the shape of the molecule, trigonal pyramidal. Next, the more examples are there. Please cooperate. The total electron pairs are 4, 2 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs. H2O. Example of H2O and H2S. This one H. This another side atom. This sulfur. This one lone pair. This one lone pair. Repulsion are there. The shape of the molecule is bent structure. The few examples are PCl5. The total electron pairs are 5, bond pairs are 5. Shape of the molecule is trigonal pyramidal. Okay. Example is PCl5, PF5. In this case SF4 example. The total electron pairs are 5, bond pairs are 4, lone pair electron is 1. The shape of the molecule of C structure. Okay, see the structure. SF4 is this 4 side atoms, side F atoms. This one, this one, this one. This is the one lone pair. The shape of the molecule is seesaw structure. Now ClF3 T-shaped molecule. Total electron pairs are 5, bond pairs are 3, lone pairs are 2. Okay, this type of arrangements are there. And XeF2 xenon fluoride. Total electrons pairs are 5, bond pairs 2 bond pairs, and lone pairs are 3. Shape of the molecule is linear. Any compound 3 lone pairs having linear structure. Shape of the molecule T-shaped structure. ClF3 already. Okay, SF6 total 6 electron pairs and 6 bond pairs, totally 6 bond pairs. This is the octahedral structure SF6. Okay, now let us valence bond theory. This is the s orbital structure and this is the p orbital structures. These are orbits. Okay, first of all, one example, H2 configuration 1s1. This H1 electron, this H1 electron. These two electrons are overlapping is SS overlapping. Simple. The next SP overlapping. HF. H having 1 electron and fluorine outermost shell में 1 electron. This hydrogen 1 electron and fluorine outermost shell 1 electrons are combined, the overlapping SP overlapping. This is the SP overlapping. This is side overlapping also. Head on overlapping. This type possible only. SS overlapping. This is the SP overlapping. This is not possible. Okay, this type of not arrangements on overlappings. Then now let us PP overlapping. Okay, F2 fluorine having 1 outermost 1 electron, 1 unpaired electron, and another fluorine having 1 unpaired electrons. These two are side overlapping is called PP overlapping. Same case, this is the side overlapping. This is a pi bond. This is the sigma bond. The structures are given. The SP orbits are occupied only. The structure is this linear structure. And next sp2, 1 s orbital, 2 p orbitals combined occupied, and this structure is this trigon. Now let us discuss molecular orbital diagram. N2, the sodium is a metal. The two N2 atoms are elements are metals. Okay. The N2 configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Filling orbitals, 2 electrons, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 3 unpaired electrons in 2p orbital. Okay. Into electron configuration, molecular orbital electron configuration is series. Please remember sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, and pi 2px2, pi 2py2, sigma star 2pz2. Okay. Now filling the electrons in molecular orbitals. Okay. Sigma 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star sigma 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, 2py, 2px, 2py, 2pzx. Okay. 2px, 2py, 2pz. This type of filling electrons. To total 14 electrons are filling in this molecular orbital. Okay. Now paramagnetic and diamagnetic. In this molecular orbital, unpaired electrons are paramagnetic. Okay. See the diagram. Unpaired electron is paramagnetic and paired electrons are diamagnetic. Thank you for watching.